Okay, hello, welcome to your next pre-teach video. We are going to be, some of you, most of you are going to be looking at multiplying two digits by two digits this week. We're all really secure now on multiplying three-digit numbers by a single digit, so some of you are now ready to move on to looking at multiplying two digits by two digits. And I'm going to show you two different ways in which we can do that. And they get progressively more efficient, okay? So this is kind of your first stage to help you get really secure with it. And then when you are really secure, you move on to this method, the more efficient one. I'm going to show you both, and you're going to be practicing both in class over the next couple of days, okay? So this method is going to be a little bit more expanded. So first of all, let's lay it out in our short method. So 56 multiplied by 27. Of course, we know that that means 56 groups of 27 or 27 groups of 56, because of course we know with multiplication it's the commutative law, we can do it either way round. Now I'm going to do at least 4 lines to begin with. Of course you'd use a pencil and a ruler, and you're going to be doing lots of lines as well, and we'll see why in a second. So when I'm multiplying, I always start multiplying by my ones column, so I've got to do 56 groups of 7 and 56 groups of 20, or it could be 7 groups of 56 and 20 groups of 56. Doesn't matter which way round. We're going to go top down. We've talked about why before, because when we do our lists, it's going to be easier. So first of all, I am going to do 6 groups of 7, and I'm going to write that out down here as well. In fact, I'm going to write that out up here. So 6 multiplied by 7. Now if you didn't know that, you could do your list. I'm going to do the list for the second one and not for this one. 6 groups of 7 is of course 42. So I'm going to write that there, and I'm going to put that in as my first bit of the answer, 42. So I've done 6 groups of 7, and I now need to do 6 groups of 20. Okay? I'm going to write that up next, because of course we know that 2 is 2 tens, which is 20. So 6 multiplied by 20, which of course we know is 120. And if we didn't know that, we could do 6 groups of 2, which is 12, and then multiply that by 10 to get 120. Okay, so I'm going to write that is my second part of the answer, 120. And again, I'm lining my digits up really accurately, so that 1 is 100, 2 tens, and 0 ones. 120. Right, so I've multiplied by the 6, and I need to multiply by the 5 tens, which is the 50. So 50 multiplied by 7. I'll write that up next. 50 multiplied by 7. And again, if I didn't know that, I could do 5 groups of 7, which is 35, and then multiply the answer by 10, which is 350. I'm going to add that to my calculation here. So 350. And you can see I'm going to need another line. So one more line. And now I'm going to do, I've just done 50 groups of 7, and I need to do 50 groups of 20. Okay? 50 multiplied by 20. Okay? So again, to make that easier for myself, I'm going to do 5 multiplied by 2, which is 10. And then I need to multiply it by 10, the answer by 10 here. I need to multiply the answer by 10 again here, because I've divided it by 10 and divided it by 10 there to make it 5 multiplied by 2. So I'm going to multiply my answer by 10, which is the same as multiplying it by 100. So 10 multiplied by 100 is 1,000. That's 1,050 multiplied by 20 is 1,000. I'm going to add that to my calculation. And now these are my 4 individual answers for each of those parts. So now I need to add all of that up. I'm going to put my add sign in. And now you can see why I needed those lines. I've lined my digits up really carefully and accurately. And now I've got my answer going down the bottom. I'm going to do one more line to help me with my answer. So 0 1s plus 0 1s plus 0 1s plus 2 1s is 2 1s. 5 tens plus 2 tens plus 4 tens make 11 tens. I'm going to keep one of those tens, and those other 10 tens I'm exchanging for 100. I'm going to put that 100 here, so I'm going to add it on, and then I'm going to cross it out when I've added it on. So 100 plus 300s is 400s, plus my extra 100 is 500. Cross it out, put my 500s in, and then 1,000 plus no more thousands makes 1,000. So my answer is 1,512. So 56 groups of 27 equals 1,512. And of course, I can say that lots of different ways. I can say 27 groups of 56 equals 1,512. I can say 1,512 equals 56 multiplied by 27, and so on and so forth. I can do the division inverse as well. But we can talk about that more in class. So there's the first method, the expanded method. I'm now going to show you it a little bit more compact, okay? So it's exactly the same calculation, so we should get exactly the same answer, but a more efficient way. Okay, so 56 multiplied by 27, okay? And I've laid it out just like this one, and I'm going to do my lines. Okay, of course, like I said before, you'll use a nice pencil and a ruler. Draw your lines really accurately. I'm going to go for 4 lines, okay? I'm just going to change my coloured pen so it's a bit clearer going through this. Okay, so same thing again. I'm going to do start with my ones column, and I'm going to do 6 groups of 7. Now, like I said, if you don't know 6 groups of 7 straight away, do your lists. So I'm going to do my list of 7 down below. You might have room in the sign to do yours, but I haven't. So I'm going to do my list of 7 down here. So 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49. I need 6 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 42. So 6 groups of 7 makes 42. I'm going to, I've got 42 ones. So I'm keeping 2 of those ones. And the other 40 ones I'm going to exchange now for 4 tens, because 40 ones equals 4 tens. I'm going to put those 4 tens in my tens column of this calculation, and I'm putting it up the top, okay? Right on top of the tens that are already there. Not at the side, but right on top, okay? So I've done 6 groups of 7, and I've got 42 ones. I've kept the 2 ones, and I've exchanged the 40 ones into 4 tens. Now, I'm going to do 50 groups of 7, okay? And that we know that's 5 tens. So 5 groups of 7, which I've already got here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, is 35, so that's 35 tens, plus those extra 4 tens that I've got here. I'm going to cross those out because I'm adding them on. Now 35 plus 4 make 39 tens. So again, I'm going to keep 9 of those tens in my tens column, but the 30 tens I'm exchanging for 3 hundreds, okay? And there's nothing left of that part of the sum, so I'm putting those 300s down there as well, okay? So far, I've done 56 multiplied by 7. Now I'm going to multiply 56 by the 20, the 2 tens. Because I'm multiplying by the 2 tens, this isn't ones, this is my tens column, I need to put a 0 placeholder now in my ones column, okay? That's because I'm multiplying by tens, so my first answer needs to be in the tens column, okay? So I'm now going to go back and I'm going to multiply 56 by the 20, okay? So the first bit of that is multiplying the 6 by the 20, or the 20 multiplied by the 6. Doesn't matter which way around, remember you do it. So 6 multiplied by the 2, which we know is 2 tens, is 120, okay, or 12 tens. So I'm going to, I've already put my 0 in there, that's fine. So my 2 is going to go in the tens column, because remember it's 12 tens. So I'm keeping 2 of my tens, and I'm taking those extra 10 tens, and I'm going to put them up on top. So remember, I've done 6 multiplied by the 20. So the next one is going to be this 5 tens, which is why you put your 1 in the tens column up here. So 6 multiplied by the 2 gives me 12 tens. I've put down my 2, and I've carried the 1. So now it's 5 multiplied by 2. And we know again this is the tens column. So 5 multiplied by 2 gives me 10 tens, plus the extra 1, which I'm now going to cross out, gives me 11 tens. So I'm going to put my 11 tens down, and there's nothing left of the sum, so I'm going to put both of those parts down, and now I'm going to add both of them up, okay? So I've multiplied by 56 by the 7, I've got this answer, and I've multiplied 56 by the 20, and I've got this answer, and I'm going to add 2 plus 0 is 2. 9 tens plus 2 tens make 11 tens. I'm going to keep one of those tens and exchange the other 10 tens for 100. And now because I'm adding, just like here, I put it underneath, not on top, underneath when I'm adding. 300s plus 100 plus 100 make 500s. And 1,000 plus no more thousands make 1,000. So 1,512, which is exactly the same answer as we got there. So it's just two ways of doing the same calculation. We're going to start with this to make sure we're secure, and we're going to move on to this one in class when we're really confident we understand what's happening, because this one's a little bit trickier. Okay, but you'll still get the same answer. And you can see how more efficient this one is. There's less steps than what there are in this one. So this is where we want to get to by the end of year 5. Okay, quick reminder. If you're not sure, make a list of your times tables like I did to help you. Number 2, make sure you line up your digits accurately and under or above, depending on what you're doing, the correct place value. And then 3, when multiplying by the tens column, don't forget to include your 0 placeholder, because your first answer is going to go in that tens column like I showed you. Okay, we'll talk more about that in class, but if you want to, in the meantime, here's one to practice at home. So again, draw a line down a sheet of paper and try and do both methods. 34 multiplied by 46. Good luck, and we'll have a chat about it in class. Thank you.